We're going to make a note card and an envelope to put the note card in. We're going to start out with some scrap paper. This has been printed on one side. It's plain on the other side. And we'll start by making the note card. Fold the paper in half like this. Then in half again. And there's the note card. And if you use scrap paper like I did, the part that's printed is on the inside, so you never even see it. Then we can get some crayons, draw a design on it. I'm not going to draw a real design, just enough to show you. You can draw whatever you want on the outside of the note card. And the next step is to make the envelope. Get another piece of scrap paper and put it the printed side up. And we're going to put the note card pretty much in the middle as much as we can. Fold up like so. And you want it to be lined up pretty carefully right there. And then we fold this side over. Again, you want it lined up here and here as close as you can get it. And open it up again. Now we're going to fold this down. And again, I'm going to try to line it up right over there and over on the other side. That's so that the envelope is nice and square. And let's do the same here, lining it up carefully here and here. And you notice I didn't get it quite in the center. This side is narrower than that side. But it doesn't matter because you're not going to see these things at all. Because now what we do is we fold this up. And you can see there's kind of like a little pocket in here. And this flap. And then you fold this flap of the envelope up. And this is a little tricky. You have to be pretty careful. But if you're careful, you can slide one flap in the other flap. Yeah, maybe I can. And then it tucks together like that. Like I said, it's not easy, but once you get it done, there's your envelope. Doesn't need any tape or any glue. And the note card's inside. And then you can, on the front, you can write the person's name that you want it to go to. So I'm going to say Carol. And then I can put this at Carol's place at the breakfast table or just give it to her whatever I want.